How to compress a file to zip folder. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can compress files into zip folder. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step that you'll need to do is find the files that you want to change into a zip folder. Then create a new folder. Here you can right click on the desktop. Then select the new option from here. Then you'll see the folder option. Tap on it. Now you can name this folder whatever you want. I'll just name this test. Now insert these files into this folder. For that you can simply select all these files, drag it and drop it into the folder. Then it will be on this folder. Now to zip this, right click on the folder. Then you'll find compress to option. Hover over there and you'll find the zip file option. Tap on it. And what this will do is this will create a zip folder right here, as you can see. And yeah, that's basically how you compress a file into a zip folder. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.